What's up, everybody? It's your boy Nate. I wanted to show you guys really quickly our brand new Flux Lora inventory and model ranking. So there's over 300 Loras included in this list. When you click on the link, you're not only going to be able to see all of their scores, their download links, but they're also organized into different categories so that if you're working on a specific project, whether that's looking for some special effects or just some special textures for your AI art, you can go ahead and find them all here listed out. We also have it not just ranged by the textures, but also different styles. And for example, if you guys really loved, let's say, cartoon Studio Ghibli style, you go ahead here, click on the link, and it's going to take you right there to that Civit AI page so you can download that model. Now, all of the models listed here are all publicly accessible, so you don't have to spend any money to download them. And we just want to send a huge thanks to all of our patrons for helping us put this together. Thanks to your support, we're able to keep pushing out our latest research, and I hope you guys enjoy creating with this. Now, we're going to be updating this over time with more models, more Loras, so make sure you guys comment down below any Loras that you want us to check out so we can go ahead and test it and then add it to the list. Anyways, thanks so much, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Peace.